Hey, what's up everybody? It's Joseph from Corsa Crew, and we're here at Barber Motorsports Park. It's been a fun day today. It's January 16th, 2026. We are with Just Track It Track Days, and we've got the orange GT4 RS out here that we built for a customer. He got to come out and drive it for the first time today, and it was awesome. Had a great day. Lap times, I'll talk about that in a second. But it was pretty awesome. We only ran on the street tires today. We did not get a chance to run on the slicks. We're going to try to do that tomorrow, but the car performed flawlessly. The Dundon Motorsports aero package is just amazing. I mean, the car is super planted, super stable, inspires tons of confidence. I mean, the car is just planted. And the MCS suspension from Dundon, we set it to their settings when we started out. And again, we're only on the street tire, the Michelin Cup 2, and not too bad. I'm sorry, Cup 2Rs. It was the Cup 2Rs, I will say that. Still a street tire. But yeah, the Dundon Motorsports package with the aero, the suspension, and we have the control arms and all the things under there too, and our alignment. And I mean, it was just phenomenal. Couldn't believe it. The guy was super happy. And for power on this car, we've got the Dundon, I think it's an IPD plenum in the intake. And then it's got headers, long tube headers, no cats, test pipes, or mid pipes, and it's got the titanium Fabspeed muffler. So Fabspeed full exhaust. It's probably making 55 wheel horsepower more than stock. So it's got plenty of power. It's got the aero, the suspension. And today we were able to turn like a high 131, which is not bad. That's really fast at Barber Motorsports Park. The goal is to hit a sub 130. We want to get in the 129s in this car on slicks, but at the same time, we're not trying to push too hard, too fast. We want the driver to be comfortable, get that seat time, and get out there and do this in the right way. We don't want to push too early and have an off or something. So, but everybody was having a good time today out there. It's pretty fast drivers, lots of fun. The weather was cold, but not too cold. The sun came out. Clouds went away, track dried up, and everybody had a phenomenal day, and that's awesome. Shout out to Nabil at Just Track It for hosting a great day today. And here we go, the orange beauty. Getting it prepped for tomorrow. We're running the Buc-ee's 93 octane non-ethanol fuel. This car does not have a tune on it. We do plan to try to get a tune from somebody on this car. So if you know the best company to get a tune for the GT4 RS for power and maybe running race fuel, we'd love to hear that in the comments.